I was just wondering how you're spending your time. Are you using your time for meaningful plans, or are you just browsing through what other people are doing? But this is a time to really ask yourself that question. How are you being productive? Even though you're not at work, you might not be doing much, but there are other things you could do to keep yourself busy. Like, what about that business plans that you've had for so long and you never really got it done? Now, this is the time for you to pull through. I'm not selling you anything, but I'm here to motivate you. And I'm asking you to get off that TV, get off that snack, and get on your computer. Do not fall into the hands of people trying to sell you these ideas of how you can make billions. No, it does not work that way. You have to put in work. I am assuming you have been so busy with work, you have never had time for anything else, and you have had this ideas, for your own business that you wanted to get started, but then you had no time. I'll encourage you all to just see what you can start online. I am also here working in my store, even though it's closed. But I still coming to do a few things online, and I encourage you to stop complaining, get up, leave that TV alone, and get to work. In the next few weeks, I'll be sharing with you how you can start your own online business. First of all, I'll share with you how you can build your own online store in Shopify, which is what I use, and we'll go from there. So if you did enjoy the video, send me a thumbs up, subscribe, and that will just encourage me to send you more videos.